$500, now $420. The sales sticker is blank. What percent off? Last time the rate was given, one multiplication gave the new value. Today, it's the reverse. Two values on show, the rate hidden. Let's recover it. Remember the machine, V1 is V0 times Cm. Divide both sides by V0, Cm is V1 over V0, and Cm is 1 plus T over 100, so T over 100 is Cm minus 1, V1 over V0 minus 1. The change over V0, so T equals V1 minus V0 over V0 times 100. The change compared to the original. A weight goes from 25 to 28 kilograms. 28 is bigger, so T must come out positive. T is 28 minus 25 over 25 times 100, plus 12. A 12% increase, as predicted. Back to the shop. 500 down to 420. Smaller, so it must be negative. Divide by 420? No, the base is the original. 420 minus 500 is minus 80. Over 500 times 100 minus 16. A 16% decrease, the sticker confesses. So, two values give the rate. The change over the original times 100. The sign gives the direction, and always divide by the original value. Chains of changes? That's the next video.